Hey YouTube, Gunham here. Welcome back to Base Tour Part 1. Technically, the other was the intro. So, Base Tour Part 1. What's it like? We're going to start with the heavy modular framework over here. There's a little bit of stuff that's not, but pretty much this is all just heavy modular frames. I need to put some power shards into my quick wire over there. That's literally all that is, just quick wire production. But the heavy modular frame, on the other hand, it's got 3 levels. We'll start in the basement, or ground floor, technically, obviously. First off, concrete, and steel. A lot of steel being produced here, producing my steel beams and steel pipes, which, why did I not put in power shards in here? I don't know. And clearly I need it, because I'm running actually a little... Never mind. Steel beams and concrete, making my heavy modular frames. And if I can find a way up, there we go. The steel beams and modular frames are making versatile frameworks, but they literally haven't been doing anything for a while. Over here is a small amount of concrete production, or concrete from there, but it's copper. There's some copper sheets and there's some cable, and that's it. Though I have a ton of stuff, I'm not building much. Everything else is iron. Alternate recipe, popping out some iron ingots here, which I might need to power shard that up. And all these furnaces popping out a massive horde of iron ingots, obviously. Well, I need to help this out. There we go. So whenever that boost goes through, that's just going to evaporate the line, just like that. Yep, not a problem anymore. So, there's a little bit of iron plates being made there and here, and everything else is iron rods. All this massive amount of iron rod production, which is going to my screws. You know, that's a lot of iron rods. And the screws start on the bottom here with the iron rod recipe. Everything's got triple power sharded. And this is the alternate recipe using iron ingots. So it's a boost, but I mean, it's doing pretty good. And it's just barely keeping perfect with my Mark 6 line here. Which, because it didn't want me to just loop around to connect to the top of the lifter, I did this. I wanted a lifter there just because I wanted a lifter. But it's clearly filling. How's that? Oh, that's why. Right. So, that will deplete in time. That'll help. Yeah, that will help. That was a Mark 4. I was wondering why I was going slow. Now it's a Mark 6. So, the reinforced iron plates here with iron rods are going to modular frames here. I don't know why these have power shards and these don't. But importantly, all of that is coming over to the heavy modular frame manufacturers here, these 3 machines. Modular frames, in case industrial beams, steel pipes, and obviously screws. All the screws I can manage, which I'm thinking of bypassing actually, but whatever. That's a lot. It's looking a lot better now since I've made the modifications. I might need to even power shard it. For the sake of future proofing, I'll go ahead and power shard it. I do not care about my power shards anymore since they're infinite. That'll help. So that will allow the modular frame line to get a massive boost. But before I show you the main base, I'm going to show you what I also have up here. So, if we come up, we have copper sheets. All the copper sheets in the world. Which I actually do want to make one... change this. Just so that way the other line gets full I don't know why it wasn't full, but now it is full. So that should hopefully help that. Yeah, this is literally just all copper sheets up here. There's nothing but copper sheets up here, which means I'm going to add in an awesome sink and melt a bunch at some point, because clearly I don't need it. Yeah, the some point being right now. If you know me, you know me. Ha ha. Let's melt a bunch. Dunk. That will help. Last thing I'm going to show you in this video is over here. This is compact coal, and this is turbo fuel. Packaged fuel is coming in all the way from the oil field down there. I have this side of the bridge line over here, and I have that making black powder. Turbo fuel is being run in these generators and packaged up. So there's actually quite a bit just sitting around. So, yeah. And look at this. The efficiency is terrible. I didn't want to have to worry about the empty canisters, so I'm literally just awesome sinking them all. And I do have a splitter, actually. They go over there, but I'm awesome sinking the rest. Yeah, there it is. So that's completely packed, but this is completely just melting whatever's left. That's a phenomenal idea. Splitter, and then one lines that and the other's into there, so that way it's good. As it eventually burns through with the fuel. I can easily increase my power with some more of these, but meh. Don't have to worry about my packaged turbo fuel, which just goes to the warehouse, so But yeah, that's all that's over here, and then this line of that stuff going to the main base. So yeah, this copper sheets, that's just some fuel and power generators and turbo fuel production, compact coal. But yeah, this triple level thing is almost entirely for those heavy modular frames. And I mean, there are some reinforced iron plates every now and then, but you see the heavy modular frames aren't doing so good, because it's just not pumping them out very well. Occasionally, but man, is this helping. I'm really thinking of just slapping on a bypass. You know what? Yeah. They go here anyways. There. Bypass. These are not a... Yep, I knew it. But it's looking better. It will look a lot better with that bypass. I was trying to putting in the power shard, though, so I'm going to go ahead and double up. Whoop. Alright, so that's it for this section. Though I'm going to get a close look at the quick wire, which I need a power shard, that thing. Luckily, I have power shards for days. I need 27 for maxing out, but quick wire clearly needs a hand. There are no power shards. But my quick wire is literally just this. One node, the stuff's coming in, and it goes to there, and pops off to the base. And let's just double up. So, yeah, just instead of having to make more components or more structures, you just power shard it up. As long as your conveyor line can handle it, who cares? It's simple. Of course, if it's not enough, then you're going to have no choice. That's much better. Look at that. Why is that a Mark II? Well, that should help. Yep, there we go. Okay. The fact there are still some gaps means it'll flow smoothly. So I don't have to worry about it. So, quick wire. Now for this. What is shooting at me? Whatever. Look at the main base. I'm going to start my new main base video right here. What? Where are you? I got a nuclear bomb with your name on it, buddy. It's cluster. Hey. He's still alive? Give me that. Hey, buddy. Catch. Come on back. Come on. A little closer. A little close enough. He might have survived. He was a little far, and he didn't take much damage from the other thing. Nope, he's dead. Those hogs are pretty hostile. Alright. So, yeah, next part.